So another adventure on Rody's Kitchen. Where are we going, Jody?
To the eternal flame.
What is the eternal flame?
It's a flame that's lit always, but sometimes it goes out.
So if it goes out sometimes, why do they call it the eternal flame?
Because it can eternally be lit. Right?
Yeah. So what are some other things that you know about the eternal flame?
You have to hike a mile and a half total to get to it and come back.
It looks like the hike might be a little treacherous.
Maybe a little bit. For the inexperienced hiker.
We're inexperienced hikers.
We are. It might take us a little longer than normal people.
We'll take our time. We'll take our time. So where is this place?
It is about 10 minutes away from Buffalo, New York, in Orchard Park, in a park called Chestnut Ridge Park.
So one of the cool things about the eternal flame that I saw is it's the only naturally occurring flame behind a waterfall. Not sure if that's true, but that's what I read.
I think it's true.
Yeah.
Well, because when you think of a waterfall, you think of wet and water, and then how is that supposed to allow a flame to burn all the time? You think the water would make it go out, right?
Is this gonna be corny?
Maybe.
What's the best part of going to Buffalo?
Tim Hortons.
I highly recommend it. This stuff is addicting. Large, triple.
Medium with 3 sugars.
You don't even have to know what triple means. Just go to Tim Hortons and say, give me a large triple, and you will experience heaven.
Yes.
So it's our recommendation. All right, let's go check out this eternal flame thing. We're gonna hike a little bit. Anything you want to add?
No.
That's it?
Go Bills.
All right, eternal flame, Rody's Kitchen. Let's go check it out. So Jody, that little thing right there, where is that? Right there? See that little mark? I guess that's the trail markers, so we're gonna have to look for those to find this place. Hopefully finding the eternal flame on the trail is easier than finding it on the road.
I hope so.
All right, let's do this.
Yay.
We got a picture of the map in case we get lost.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Timmy's. We're doing this! Yay!
If I fall on my ass,
I'm gonna laugh.
that's not very nice.
30 years living in Buffalo, I'm finally going to the eternal flame. It's a little thrown. That's cool. Here's another chicken right there. I found a chestnut.
So Jody, what do you think so far?
This is cool.
So we're kind of like walking through a creek. We're wondering what happens when it's full with water. Like, how do you get down here? We're inside of a ravine, and it's a pretty good hike. Not impossible, but definitely a little slippery.
If there's a
Keep going.
tornado, we're safe.
Yeah. Unless these trees blow down on us. Let's keep going. We're almost there.
Yay!
This is our first look at the eternal flame. It's right there. It's surreal. Look at it. It totally looks trippy. Totally. There's just a random fire burning in the middle of the ravine.
Go check it out.
Only place in the world you're going to see fire behind a waterfall. One of the coolest things in nature I've ever seen. Look at it. It's a freaking flame behind a waterfall. Only place on the planet where you'll see this. There's nobody here. All we have are the little chipmunks, frogs, and crows with us. Very, very surreal.
And the waterfall is trickling down.
So apparently there's some kind of mystery on what's creating this gas coming up.
You could smell it though.
So they say that normally gas coming out of the ground for flames like this, underneath the ground has to almost boil rock. But underneath here, it's barely hot enough to boil water. So scientists are still trying to figure out why this gas is coming up here, because it really shouldn't be. But some Native Americans thousands of years ago discovered this, and you can smell the gas. Can you smell it?
Mm-hmm.
You can smell the gas coming out of the ground when you walk through this ravine. But I couldn't imagine being the first one to light that thing. Very cool. Worth the trip.
Awesome.
Eternal Flame, Chestnut Ridge Park. If you're ever in Western New York,
Must do.
highly recommend finding the place.
It was worth it.
Absolutely.
A little bit of a hike, but totally worth it. You can feel it.
Yeah.
Can you help?